Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how can you join a group in Roblox. In order to join a group in Roblox, you need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to open up a browser, and on the web address bar, you want to type in roblox.com and log in to your account. As you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. So in the left hand side bar, you could find the friends option, or you could find the group option. Due to some reason, I don't have these options available. So what you have to do is just click on the group option, and then if you are already in a group, then you could find the information there. Then in the top right hand side corner of your page, you could see the explore or maybe a gear icon where you could go and explore the group that you want to join in. So that is how you could do it. So, or else what you could also do is, if you have a group, you could actually go ahead and click on the plus button in order to add a group people. But then you need to be sure that you have already friends, and then you could go ahead and you should be add them to your group, and you should have successfully joined the group as well. That is also one way of doing it. So likewise, you could follow the step number 1. As I said, you could find it right in the left hand side section, and that is how you could join a group. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.